Greetings everyone. Welcome back to the Miniature Manual. I'm back with a review video after more than a year. In this video I will be reviewing one of the exclusive model cars made by Tarmac Works for 2025 Hong Kong Toycar Salon. A Nissan Fairlady S30 Widebody in red. Before starting the review, I would like to thank Hong Kong Toycar Salon team for sending this along with other event exclusive goodies from last year. This is a collaboration model between Tarmac Works and Jon Sibal, and if I'm not wrong, this is the second release of this particular casting. Front part of the box features a cool illustration of the car along with Tarmac Works and Jon Sibal logo and model name. This is from their Global 64 line, hence you will find the Global 64 logo in different sides of the box. Left side of the box features another cool illustration of the car and model name. Rear side of the box features story of Jon Sibal, product details and licensing info. Only 3,552 units were made for the event. I got a chase car. Now let's take a closer look. The paint is in chrome red, not regular red, as it's a chase. Rims looks like our S Watanabe offset. Door handle is engraved. Headlights are plastic inserts with acrylic cover. Looks like the grille is a separate part, not paint. Intercooler has a very minor QC issue. I guess you can see the excessive glue. Hood vents are engraved, I guess, though you can't see through it. Paint quality is good. Same details on this side except the engraved fuel filler. Rear lights are plastic inserts. You can see the details. Rear nameplate is engraved featuring Jon Sibal logo. Rear side also has a ducktail spoiler and an exhaust, not sure about the material of the exhaust. Base feels like metal. Fairly detailed with engraved product details and printed Tarmac Works logo. Finder mirrors are positioned and glued perfectly. Wheels roll smoothly. To conclude, except the very minor QC issue, I loved this piece overall.